Okay. I'll check to see if it's recording. Yep. Alright, so first of all, this is a video in case you don't know how to use CamScanner. Let's say I'm going to go on Google Play and I'm going to look for CamScanner. CamScanner. There we go. Phone PDF creator. I have it already. I need to update it, so I could do that. And this is basically what you do, only I'm updating. And hopefully this won't take 5 years or I'll feel really bad for making you sit through it. Well, anyway. That's boring. So one thing that I'm going to do is just take a look at this. I'm not going to do that right now. So you can sign in and register, and then you can sync docs. I'll do that eventually. Haven't gotten around to it. Settings, you can go to doc management, and you can have things like display page details. I have no idea. I don't ever look at that stuff. Save to phone memory or SD card. I should probably save the SD card. But actually, I'm not sure where that's going to be, so I'm going to say SD card. And no, I'm saying phone memory. Anyway, brilliant. I'm going to see if this is done updating yet. It's installing, so that should take a minute. But anyway, you can all liked. I'm not sure what the deal is if you have an iPhone, but if you have an Android like me, this is what you do. You could just open it from there. Haha. Okay. Looks like someone's watching my Netflix, but it's not me because I'm working. Okay, go away. Alright, so you can see that I have used this quite a lot, and this is not even everything because I had a different SD card, and I'd saved a bunch of stuff, and then I wiped everything from my phone and started over. So anyway, to start off, I'm going to hit this little green button on the lower right hand side with the camera in it. So I'm going to hit that, and now I'm going to look for the thing that I want to take a picture of. So these are some comprehension exercises for my morphology class from week 2. Now, I can't do this. I don't want that shadow. Because this is not magic. It does a good job cleaning things up, but it's not magic, so try to keep your shadows off. Pay attention to where the light is. So I've taken a picture. You can see this is way off. So I'm just gonna, drag these corners. And that looks pretty good. I'm gonna hit the check mark on the lower right hand side. And that's gonna crop it up, and you can see I drew some things. And magic color looks terrible. Let's try black and white. That's okay. Black and white too. Can't read everything. Automatic, it goes to magic color. This is the original. That's pretty terrible. Lightened a little bit, it's better, but I don't like that. I don't like that. Gray, no. Don't do gray, don't do lightened, don't do original. Those look terrible. Choose black and white too, or choose the magic color, because the rest of them look bad. So this isn't perfect, but it's good as it's going to get. So I'm going to click the little check mark. It's going to save, and here we have the PDF. I'm going to rename it to, I'm going to say Morph Week 2 exercises. Okay. Now I've got another page, so I'm going to hit that green button again, and I'm going to take the second page, and I'm going to take a picture of shadow. I'm going to take another picture of it. See what happens. Okay, once again, that's way off. Usually it does better than this, but I think it's the bedspread. That's not as good as it's really going to get. Like I said, it's not magic. Okay. That's not bad. Oh, I have a shadow. I don't like it. Okay. Yeah, there's a shadow. I'm going to go back. I'm going to discard this one. Let's try this again. Oh, I don't know why I took a picture with a flash. I didn't expect that to happen. Let's see. That's not terrible. I can look at magic color and see what happens. No. Black and white too. That gets rid of some of the shadows, but makes it harder to see. So we'll choose that one. I'll click the little check mark and see now I've got 2 pages. Now if I want to look at it in a PDF, I'll hit the PDF button up there. I can choose to, where is Adobe? There you are. I can look at it like that. And you can see 1 page, 2 pages. There's that little scanned by CamScanner, no big deal. You might get a pop-up that says something, some kind of ad when you click PDF. Just click no or close it or something and it'll still be able to do the PDF. What's in this thing? It's PDF settings. You can do all kinds of stuff. Share. I often will share to my email. Like this. There we go. And I'll just send it. And then I just go back and get away from that. But then I will receive a PDF with 2 pages. Don't send me individual pages because you can add as many as you want. One more time, I'm going to add, let's see here. I have a handout from week 4 of morphology. And that's kind of colorful, so I think I'm probably going to go with the color. And once again, wow, I'm going to have to see why that is happening. Okay, trying to fix that. It's about as, well, as good as that's going to get, I suppose. That's better, probably. Check mark. Okay, that's black and white. That's not bad. Black and white too, also not bad. Nice clean looking. This is auto because it saw that there was color, so it's trying to capture that. Again, original, bad. Lightning, bad. Gray mode, bad. Here I would say light magic color because it looks pretty good. So I'm going to click that check mark. Okay. Again, there's some black marks on the outside, but that's not the end of the world. And I would say, I don't know, morph, handout, week 4, Morphe, whatever, I don't care. And I want another picture, so I forgot to get that ready. So, whoops. This is not being very cooperative. Okay, really not. All right. My morphology class is way more involved than what you guys have to do. But I think it's pretty interesting. I think that looks good. I'll hit the check mark. Now I've got 2. I'm just going to do 3 because that's enough. You get the idea. You just keep taking pictures. And you go, okay, that's pretty good. All right, brilliant. Saving. Now let's say I want to go out, so I'll hit the button to get out of there, whether that's this one or the button that you have on your phone. Now let's see. If I want to add something to it, all I have to do is go back in, and then I hit that button again, and I take another picture. So it doesn't matter if you forgot one. Now I'm going to do something to see if it will. I'm going to lean kind of funny. Let's see. See if this happens the way I want it to. Okay, I'm taking the picture. Oh, it didn't happen. Well, let's say it turned out sideways. You can just use these buttons to fix it. Okay, that looks decent. You can always go back and finish if you're not done. That says crazy, plural. Which part is crazy? I can't see what I wrote. Anyway, so I save it, and I can again look at the PDF. let's say I can change different PDF instead, Drive PDF Viewer, if I feel like looking at that. And you can see it's not perfect, but it's pretty easy to read. So, and I have the free version, so it just says scanned by CamScanner, no big deal. Okay, also I can send it. You can send it as a picture, like send image JPEG, or you can share a text file. I'm not really sure. Oh, I think that's a paid thing. Don't do that. Send me a PDF. And now, let's say you want to add it to the Dropbox, like from your phone. You could email it to yourself and download it. No, I do want to quit. Email it to yourself and download it, and then you can attach it with your computer, or you can do what I do and just go on, let's see, I have a million things open. Okay. I'm on Chrome. Hi. Oh. You will, if you're in my campus class, you will see me wearing these shoes soon because I ordered them, because that's just totally my style. Anyway, where do I have, oh, here we go. All right. Blah, blah, blah. I can't put anything in one of your drop boxes, so I'm going to go to my home. If you have problems using D2L on your phone, after you sign in, always go to the bottom of the page and click desktop version, because the mobile version sucks. Okay, something with a Dropbox. My phonetics class had a Dropbox that I think might still be open. So I'm going to go hit Dropbox. I'm going to just pick this randomly. Final project slides. I didn't turn those in because I had a partner and she did it. Okay, so you want to click add a file and then click upload. Now on my phone, see, I'm going to go into documents. You're going to have to figure out where it's saved if you don't want to email it to yourself. The easiest thing to do is just email it to yourself, because then you know where it is and you can do it with your computer. So let's say I wasn't on CamScanner already, and let's see. I'm going to say device storage, and I'm going to look, and you're going to look for CamScanner, and then what did I call it? Morph. Well, I could do the Morphy handout week 4 or Morph week 2 exercises. And I have put that there. Once it's done, I can click add. And then if I want to submit, I could submit. But I'm not sending this to my phonetics teacher, because he's going to be like, why are you doing this? This class was 1.5 years ago. So I'm actually going to cancel. You would click submit, but I'm going to click cancel. And I'm going to click cancel again, because that is not a thing. All right. Why is that not canceling? Oh, because I want to say don't submit. All right. Whatever. Okay. Anyway. That was bad to have open. Okay. That's basically it. So I hope that helped, and that's, well, I don't know. I'm babbling now. Hopefully that helped. Please ask me if you have any questions.